Today, we are going to bring you along as we experience what life is like in a small village on a remote island in Vanuatu.
Here in Vanuatu, we don't treat ourselves like that guy is bigger than that guy. No, we all same. I have money, so I'm rich, so that one is poor. No, we all poor.
Somehow, we even wound up shrimping with some villagers.
I don't know what I'm doing.
And gave Salem a birthday she will never forget.
Gosh, I'm gonna cry.
You may be wondering how we wound up here. After meeting Anne on a neighboring island and telling her about our desire to help out the remote communities of Vanuatu, she arranged for us to meet with the chief of Mango Village in Santos. This connection gave us full access to the community and the opportunity to learn about their ways of life.